Hello and welcome to the next step. In this step, I'm going to teach you how to create your own capture pages. Now, I'm giving you about 3 options right now, and if you know how to build your own capture pages and redirect them, great. Then you're one step ahead. If you don't, I'm more than happy to do it for you. I'm more than happy to create the capture page and set everything up for you. Now, it is definitely something worth learning on your own, and you can do it right through WordPress. Now, most people do have experience with WordPress, but if you don't, I'm going to actually briefly go over and show you how easy it is to set up and set up your own domain. So if you're going to get WordPress, you need to buy your own domain and hosting, which is going to cost you roughly $20. And it's really cheap because like the domain name is like $12, but it's for the whole year, and then you pay like $4 or $5 a month for hosting. So it's definitely well worth it if you're going to set it up. But you don't need to do that. Like I said, I'll create it for you for free. Or there's one thing I do recommend. It's called leadpages.net. They have really good landing page creators. The only downfall is you have to pay for it. So they have monthly packages. Well, you don't need this. I'm just giving it to you as an option because I like to give everybody options, and I'm telling you that they have really good pages if you do want to look into it. So leadpages.net. I don't have any affiliate link. Just if you want to do it, go ahead, go to the site. But I'm not trying to sell you on that. I'm trying to provide you options. Anyways, getting right into the training here, just want to show you everything. Basically, I'm going to show you. There's a plugin called Epic Squeeze. So if you have WordPress, you can just install this plugin. There's a download link below this video. So you just download this plugin, install it, and you can use it right away. Now, let me go through and show you how to get a domain. I recommend using GoDaddy.com. You can use any provider you want. I just am really familiar with GoDaddy, easy to use. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab a domain, for example, here, and you just go to their homepage, search it. If it's available, grab it. So there it is. I'll select this one. Continue to cart. It's just following through. They try to upsell you on stuff. Just click no thanks. You don't need any of this. For hosting, I leave it on deluxe for $49 a month. Now, I do recommend getting an email to your domain because that's really going to help with like your Aweber account, having your own domain there. That's something I recommend, but it's not needed. It's only $3.99 a month, but that's the only thing I would recommend. But if you don't want it, just click no thanks. You could have something like at chris@yourwebsite.com or bob@yourwebsite.com. But get what you want, continue to cart, check out, and I'll show you. Like, okay, when you see this first price for $127.11, what it's doing is it's trying to put you in for 5 years. Knock that down to 1 year. Okay, and it looks like it tried to put me on the personal website builder. I don't need that. I'm using WordPress. Click remove. Like I said, that's the only thing I hate about web hosting is they try to upsell you like crazy. Look at this, for 5 years. No, knock that down to 1 year. Everything should be knocked down to 1 year. You don't need to set it all that high. They try to upsell you on all this other stuff. There we go. That's more like it. So your cost should be somewhere around this, $26.34. As you can see, not bad because, like I said, the first price was $127. Like I said, just check the terms. They try to lock you in at 5 years, so you don't need that. So just choose the 1 year option. You're good to go. Then after you set it up, there's an option that says install WordPress. You just click it and you go through everything. Now, if you get stuck or you need help, let me know. That's where you're welcome to call me, text me, or email me, and I can help you set up WordPress if you have any problems. Alrighty. Now, when WordPress is installed, you log in. This is how you log into WordPress. It's your website.com, .org, whatever website you purchased, /WP-admin. So I'm going to see if I can't really zoom into that, but I hope you can see that right there, WP admin. And when you log in, after you log into WordPress, it's very easy. It looks like this. I'm going to show you how to add a new plugin. So below this video, there's a link to download this plugin. It's free. Download it, save it to your downloads or your desktop, and then you're going to upload it. And here's how you upload it. On WordPress, your WordPress may look different. It might be your WordPress might look like this, depending on the color scheme and everything you have. But anyways, it's all the same. Go to Plugins, and you're going to click on Add New. And you're going to go to upload, and you're going to upload the plugin that's called Epic Squeeze, and I have it right here. So I'm uploading Epic Squeeze Pro.zip. Now I already have it, But after you upload it, you just click Install Now. Let me show you again. You click Install Now. And after you click Install Now, it's going to ask you to click Activate. Well, I already have it, and this plugin install. The reason why mine failed is because it's already plugged in, but yours will say Activate. You click Activate, and you can start using your plugin right away. Very, very easy to use. There's no setup or anything like that, and you can instantly start creating capture pages like this. Any background of your choice. Now I'm going to teach you how to create your own capture page. Remember, you can also request one because you do need your own capture page for this, to build your list. So to create a new capture page in WordPress, you go to Pages and you click on Add New. And basically, you're going to name the page whatever you want to name it. CPL test. You can name it your name. You can name it anything. But basically, I'm going to name this one CPL test. And you can write whatever you want. So you could say how to start making. Below this video, I'm also going to put some captivating capture page headlines. Here's the headline right here: 3 easy steps to start getting paid in 24 hours. How to make money online. I'll show you how. Or $6,000, in the next 30 days. You've all seen capture pages, and you're just going to put whatever you want. You can also change the color of the text. By default, it's white. You can change it to blue, green, anything you want. Okay, so you typed in what you want your capture page to say. I'm scrolling down. I need to, where it says Epic Squeeze settings, you need to change that to active. And it needs your Aweber list name. Okay, I'm going to go through all these settings with you just so that you understand it. So I'm going to go over to Aweber. Now, if you're using GetResponse, you just drop this arrow down and choose GetResponse, MailChimp, or anything like that, and then it wants your form code. And it shows you what your form code looks like. But I'm going to do this in Aweber. And I'm going to go to my account here, because I believe I'm already logged in. And I'm going to go to, let's see, I did my test list. Okay, here's how you get your Aweber list name. This is very important. You don't just type the name of your list here. Once you're in Aweber, you need to go to List Options, highlight over it, go to List Settings. Your list name is your unique list ID. Let me emphasize that again. This is what you need right here. It's your unique list ID. This is what you want to copy right here, just like that. You don't want this or you don't want anything else. You just want this. Okay, then you're going to paste it. So I want from Aweber. I copy the unique list ID. Ignore this. You need the unique list ID. Paste it right there. And your target, now target is where people go after they opt in to the capture page. Okay, so where are they going to go? That's a very good question. Well, after they opt in, you want to take them to a CPL offer, because after they opt into, basically, this is how your page works. You want to collect these leads, right? You're building a list. You're building a list and you're making money. Well, you want to collect these leads that you're sending traffic to, that you're going to be sending traffic to. You haven't done that yet. That's in the next upcoming steps. Because let me show you. When you're sending, when 200 visitors come to the site or 100 visitors come to the site and they type in chrisgroves3@gmail.com, they type in their email address, they click get instant access, you want to immediately take them to your CPL, like I have done here. You're taking them to your cost per lead, so you can immediately offset your costs for advertising. You've now collected the leads, so you're building your list. Every time someone opt-ins, you're getting subscribers, then they're redirected to your CPL offer. Hopefully that makes sense so far. So for your target, go to your login here for your URL portal where you should have created your links. Log in and go to Manage Portals. And what you want to do is you want to pick one of the CPL offers. Don't pick your main product offer, or don't pick anything else. You want to pick one of your CPL offers. So just go ahead and grab the link by right-clicking and copying the link address, and you're going to put that in as your target. It's very important. Okay, you're putting that as your target. Also, over here in the MISC settings, the miscellaneous settings, exit pop. You want an exit pop. That's very important. If someone tries closing the page or accidentally hits exit, you want to also redirect them to the CPL offer. So that's where the link needs to go. So far you should have Aweber if you're using Aweber, your list name, your unique list ID. It should look something like that, or whatever Aweber gives you. You should have your target as one of your CPL offers. Doesn't matter which one, but do not use your main product or a CPA. It has to be a CPL offer for this to work. And then in your MISC settings, you have the same thing for your exit pop. Okay, so we're almost done. Now background, if I left it now, my background would just be white. Background ideas. I'm going to give you some background ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this up. Beach. You can do money. You can do your favorite color, like blue background. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in Lamborghini. And I'm searching that right now. You can do a Corvette. Do something appealing. And this is very important. If you're doing this yourself, not every background will work, and here's why. The background, in some cases, because this just pulls off of Google, the background can be too large or too small. So you'll know if you get an error, and I'll show you. But I'm going to pick this one right here because I like that one. They just show you the thumbnails. But if you get one that doesn't work and you load the page and it's blank, then you need to choose a different background. And you might have to try 5 or 6 times before you get a background that works. There's cases where I've had to try 5 or 6 times to finally find a background that works. It can be a little bit frustrating, but the reason why it's not working is because it's either too big or too small. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go to Style Settings. So we now have this set up. We have our background set up, Style Settings, and you get to choose. Do you want this box? Let me show you. I have to go back here to the capture page. I want to show you the example. I want to make sure you have it in front. Okay. Do you want this box to be black or white? You get 2 options. You can have it be black or white. If you want it black, you want your box style to say white text on black background. If you want it white, it's going to say black text on white background. Well, I'm going to show you the black text on white background, and then you get to choose which button people are going to click. Okay, the button is here. So in this case, they click Get Instant Access. Are they going to click? I would stay away from downloads because they're not downloading anything. Stay with Access Now or Get Instant Access. Choose any of the button that you like. You don't need to make any other changes on here. I mean, you're more than welcome to play around, but you don't need to do anything other than click the Access Now. You're not going to touch anything with video settings or geo settings. We just leave those completely alone. Your miscellaneous settings should have the link to your CPL offer. If everything looks good, click Publish. And then after it's published, you can view your page. It'll say Page Publish, View Page. I can talk. There it is. So this background did work, and I knew this worked because I've used this background before. But if you're loading your page and the background comes up white, you need to choose another background. So it's very important. So I have to decide if I like it white. I'm going to try it black. So I'm just going to click the back arrow, click Leave this page. I go to Style Settings. I'm going to do now white text on a black background and click Update. And I'm going to click View Page. That looks a lot better. I can make the text red. This is a really nice capture page. If I try to exit and I decide I want to stay on this page, it takes me to the CPL offer. So that's what the exit pop does. So I'm going to go back here and just show you if the lead opt in. Now the way you test this capture page, because you do want to test it, is opt into the capture page. Make sure it goes through to where it needs to go. You should always test your capture pages. Everything you create, link-wise, capture page-wise, you should always test. That looks good. And then you should see yourself as a lead. Now, Aweber and GetResponse sometimes has a delay. So if you opt in and you don't see yourself as a lead, you need to wait 5 to 10 minutes. So that's normal. 5 to 10 minutes to see yourself as a lead. All right, well, so far you should have been able to create your own capture page. And once it's done, it could look like this. It could have a different background. You're more than welcome to create multiple capture pages. Just make sure every capture page follows through to a CPL and everything like that. All right, if you need a capture page or you want me to make one for you, all I need from you is one of your CPL links. I just need one of your CPL links from you, and I can create you a capture page. Just just with with any design, or you can follow through with your own WordPress, download the plugin below the video, and create it yourself. If you need any help creating it yourself, I'm more than happy to assist you with that. And if you want one from me, I would be more than happy to create you a capture page as well. All right, we'll move on to the next step, but so far you should have your capture page created and ready to go. If not, there are services out there for capture pages, or just come to me and I will make you a free capture page or as many as you need for your campaigns.